Do you know what this is based on the puzzle pieces? Looks like it's red, some tires. Shout out what you think it is. All right, let's get started. Ooh, a dog. Let's start with that. It looks like there's this, almost like a ladder. Do you see anything else that has a ladder on it? Yep, this one. I don't think it's quite that. Oh, here's another one. All right, looks like we have a long ladder and it's red. What could this be? Let's find this other end piece. Maybe this one, no. This one? No. What about this? There we go. Ooh, I see some sky. Let's try to find the pieces with the sky in them. Can you point to some sky pieces? That's right, here's one. Does it go there? No. What about here? There it goes. Oh, here's another sky piece. Oh, and it looks like it's a corner piece, so it wouldn't go there, it would go over here. And then I see some smoke and a little piece of yellow. What do you think that could be? Do you see a piece with some smoke and some blue and some yellow? That's right, this piece. Oh no, there's a fire. Which makes this what? All right, let's keep going. I think this is a window, so we have to find a piece with more windows on it. Do you see any? That's right, this is it, and it's a corner piece. Oh, and look at all the wheels are left. All right, so we have our two corners. Does it go here? No, no. There we go. And that means this corner goes over here. Ooh, two pieces left and with wheels on them. They go like that? No. Like this? Oh, there they go. Which means if we just put it right up, it's a fire truck. Fire trucks help put out fires. Can you tell from the puzzle pieces what this is? Shout out your answers right now. So I always like to look for a corner piece first. Is this a corner piece? Or is that a corner piece? That's right, this is a corner piece. So it's gonna go somewhere, maybe there. It looks like there's sky, so I'm guessing that's up in the air. Let's try to find a piece that has a tree, or green and blue. Do you see a piece with green and blue on it? Can you point to it? That's right, this piece. It's a perfect match. All right, now let's look for a piece with some red and some gray and black on it. Yet this piece, that doesn't quite go. There seems to be a piece that goes in between. Can you find this piece? Is this the piece or is that the piece? Which one goes there? I'll give you a hint, it has an edge. That's right, this is the piece. And now we're all done with the top. All right, let's find some other corner pieces. Can you point to them? There should be two left. That's right, this is a corner piece, and that is a corner piece. I think they go there. Yeah, because these are tires, right? All right, let's see if we can find some other tires. Point to two pieces that have tires. Is this one? No. What about this? That's right, this piece. Does it go there? No. What about here? Oh, perfect. Oh, and I see another tire over here. Do you know what this is yet? Now we gotta fill in the middle. Let's look for these edge pieces. Does this have an edge? What about this one? That's right, this does. Does it go here? No. What about over here? Oh, perfect. All right, where's this edge piece? We have three pieces left. 1, 2, and 3. Point to the edge piece. That's right, it's this one. Do you know what this is yet? Let's do a couple more. There's look like there's some kids on this piece. Let's go here. No. What about here? And And that means this is our last piece. And there we go. What is this? That's right, it's a school bus. Do you know what this sign says? That's right, it says stop. Good job, thanks for helping me with this puzzle. What is this puzzle of? Can you guess? Let's get started and find out. Let's first look for some edge pieces or corner pieces. Is this a edge piece? No. Oh, here's an edge piece, and it looks like there's a cloud. So that must go up here or right here, but it looks like there's somebody's hat, so I think it's gonna go right there. Let's find some other pieces that have blue sky in them. Can you point to any? That's right, here's a piece, and there's a piece. Those go, no. Oh, let's switch it around. Oh, there we go. Which means that should connect just like that. All right, let's find this last edge piece that has some blue in it. Is it this corner piece? No. What about this corner piece? No. So it must be this corner piece. There we go. It looks like there's a lot of wheels here. And wheels are usually on the bottom. So let's put these way down here and see if we can figure it out. All right, let's try to connect the wheels together. Nope, not there. Looks like there needs to be two pieces going out, just like this. It's an edge piece and a corner piece. So we gotta find this corner. Where is that corner piece? Can you see it? Is this it? No. Is this it? Yes. Do you know what this is yet? It looks like there's a lot of wheels, 2 big wheels and 2 small wheels. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alrighty, let's see if we can find this guy's face. Can you see it? Do you think it's him? No. Ooh, but there's an edge piece here. So if it's not there, it must be over here. All right, let's try another edge. No. Oh, there we go. There's the rest of his face. All right, we got 2 pieces to go. Do you know what this is yet? All right, we'll see if you're right. There and there. If you said a train, you are correct. Good job. All right, our last puzzle. What do you think it is? Looks like there's some green, a checkered something, some letters, some wheels, ooh, something that's yellow, and a number 6. Let's put it together and find out. Let's start with the sky. I see 4 pieces with sky on them. And they all have letters on them, so that means they go together. So they're edge pieces, so let's put all the edges up, like that. And all the letters that look the same direction. Let's see what it spells. All right, does it go like this? Oh, that one? Nope, that doesn't match. Look at the A. Wonder if we switch it around. Oh, there we go. Does this go here? No, this has to stay on top. Just like that. Oh, it says race track. What goes on a racetrack? Do you know? I bet that tells us what this is. Oh, I see some tires. Let's get all the pieces with tires. Do you see any other pieces with tires? Let's try this one and this one. Actually, I think they all have tires on them. Let's look for this green. Can you point to all the pieces that have green on them? That's right. This one. And green looks like it's on the bottom. Does that go there? No. Ooh, this is a corner piece. This has to go over there. Let's see if this fits. Oh, it fits. Which means this should go right here. All right, do you know what this is yet? Let's match some of these wheels up. So this looks like a wheel. Does this go here? No, it's not going in. Maybe down here. Oh, there we go. Look at, there's some edge pieces here. Let's go here. No? Oh, there it goes. And this is the other edge piece, which means it goes right there. Do you know what this is? Let's put the last piece in and find out. Oh, it's a race car. It's a number 6 race car.